Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. So in this video series 4th, I am going to cover 7 quality tools, quality assurance tool, or you can call it quality control tools also, which are used in quality function for various purposes. In first 3 video I tried covering basics of quality, how quality is defined, what is the importance of quality in an organization, how certification helps in achieving the benchmarking. All those things I have covered. So if you want to know the basics of quality, fundamentals of quality, those videos would definitely help you. First is flow chart, second is check sheet, third is a fishbone diagram, fourth one is histogram, fifth is Pareto chart, sixth is control chart, and seventh is scatter diagram. So these are the 7 quality tools. If you really, I'll just scan through very quickly on this green board or white board, whatever you want to call it. Now let me cover those tools in brief, how and why and where and how it looks like. Flowchart is nothing but predefined steps of a workflow or a task. So we put some basic task in a block and take some decision and move ahead, and finally from the input we will get the output. And this is how the process flow chart, basically it is process flow chart. It's being defined in a diagrammatic form, and it is used to define an activity or a complete process workflow, or to define a management workflow or product workflow. In various places it's used. Okay, second one is check sheet. Check sheet is a very simple tool used in quality, where we just check something and tick mark on that paper or whatever we are using. It could be hard copy or soft copy also. It is a very powerful tool, commonly used in production environment, manufacturing environment, and other places also, and very powerful. When you put the tick, means you are saying that this particular product is approved, meeting this particular specification or requirement or whatever. So it is also very powerful tool. Fishbone diagram, also called cause effect diagram. Why it is called fishbone? Because the diagram looks like a bone of fish, and it will have various causes in terms of those arrows which are being shown here, causes and sub causes of a particular effect or a failure. So this is used when we want to do a root cause analysis of problem, root cause analysis of an issue, root cause analysis of something which has failed in the field, or any product which has failed, any process which has failed, or we want to get into the root cause of that. So here we find out the root cause of that, and then we put the long term and short term action plan, and all these things we do for fishbone diagram. So this is one of the tool for root cause analysis. Histogram, it's basically shows frequency of various data collected, and we draw in form of a chart, or we can call it bar chart also. And it looks like data are normal, and all those aspects are being checked as per the frequency of various data points. Next is Pareto chart. It is based on 20-80 rule. Means it says that our 80% of the problem or issues could be because of 20%, or contribution of 80% of the problems could be because of the top 20 causes, a top 20 contributor, or top 20 root cause or something. So this is how it looks like. I will cover more details in subsequent videos. Then comes control chart. It is drawn like this, where we have the UCL, LCL and mean, and then we draw it in a zigzag form. It shows that points which are out of control. So basically it is also used for process control. It shows that are there any points which are out of control, out of bound, out of specification, something which and then here also points which are outside of the boundary limit, then the spatial causal analysis is being done. or the trend is continuous, then the common causal analysis is being done. This also I'll try to cover in subsequent video. And seventh tool is your scatter diagram, which is scatter diagram is a very important and powerful tool which shows the relationship in two variables. So here you can see v1 and v2. Like why it is called scattered, because when we draw the graph between variable 1 and variable 2, one is independent variable and second is a dependent variable, and it shows that how strong the relationship in these two variable, how the dependent variable is affected or impacted by the I would say independent variable. So here we draw these various tools, I don't know tools, various I would say softwares are being used to draw such type of scattering and diagram. Even Excel also we can use it and see the relationship between the two variables. So to sum up, we have covered 7 quality tools called flowchart, check sheet, fishbone diagram, histogram, Pareto chart, control chart, and the scatter diagram. Thank you so much for watching. In the next lecture, I'll cover some more basics of quality. Thank you so much.